Here's a very interesting 1960 BMW Isetta 600. Essentially a stretched version of the Isetta 300, and it used a motorcycle engine, a boxer twin with a 4-speed manual transmission. This one is in beautiful shape. They were made for 3 years, and they had trouble competing with the Volkswagen Beetle, of course, in terms of price. And I have in my description a link to a very informative article about the Isetta 600. Very interesting car. And you notice we have a direct opening into the rear passenger compartment with that door, and of course in the very front we have an opening directly into the front driver's space. Beautiful condition and a beautiful car, and very rare too, may I say.